G'day everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's quite early in the morning, but I only just got home from work, so I figured now's probably a good time to do this whilst I'm still thinking about it. Not gonna lie, not exactly how I imagined this video to go. I really was hoping for a bit of a different circumstance, but we've hit 1,000 subscribers. Originally I was trying to figure out ways that I could actually celebrate the channel hitting 1,000 subscribers and really say thank you to all of you, and I've still got ideas on the back burner which I'll probably hopefully be able to do in the not too distant future. Thank you to all of you, like everybody who's been here from the very beginning, everybody who's come at any time after that. If you're here watching, I think Bennett Flotty said it the best.
There's no way left to go but up, and in a moment I'll shut up. But let me say, I'm glad you came.
And I've learnt so much along the way, and thanks to all of you who've helped give advice, give knowledge. Let me know when I'm doing things wrong. Let me know when I've come up with a clever idea or something like that. But every time people have given me advice and just people generally being nice, and it's really nice because every now and then I come home from a particularly awful day at work and I'll see a nice comment and it really lightens my day. There are so many oddly wholesome people in this community, and I say oddly wholesome because this is YouTube. You half expect to be bullied off the platform. This whole experience has been amazing and I've learned so much. I mean, one of the recent things I've learned is how much work goes into a sword, which is a good segue to this next part. So when I originally was trying to come up with an idea for what I can do for this 1,000 subscriber special, I thought I was given this bottle of French white sparkling wine. Very nice. I have no idea, actually. I haven't tried it yet, but it's a really nice gesture from an uncle and auntie. What I wanted to do was I wanted to take this bottle, and I was like, you know what I've never done? I have never sabred a bottle of wine or champagne or anything like that. That seems like a lot of fun. I want to do that for 1,000 subscribers. And then I was like, I don't have anything to sabre this with, so why not make a sword? That was my thought process. I was like, I want to sabre a bottle of wine, let's make a sword. That's why I decided to start on a sword. Even though I knew full well that I was not prepared to, I had no idea about forging process of a sword aside from, you know, what I've learned from knife making, which is nothing alike, and what I've learned from watching people make swords and that sort of thing. I will never again look at a sword the same way. Now, I know that this is starting to really sound like, oh, Tim, are you giving up on that project? I'm not giving up on that project. It will eventually happen. It's just, I didn't want to keep putting off this video celebrating 1,000 subscribers because the sword wasn't built. Like, that seems stupid to me. I really do appreciate everything that you guys have done for me. So, here is to you. If you're underage or cannot drink otherwise, please find yourself a substitute. I just really hope this doesn't pop because it's like almost 12:30 in the morning. Nice. Ooh, alright. So here's to all of you, and I'm out of frame. Thank you for being here. For as long as you have been, for as long as you will, I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me. I hope to share the rest of this journey with as many of you as possible. My dream of making something of myself, because these hands are made for making, is starting to come true, and it's all thanks to you guys. So, cheers. Not bad. Nice. I don't know how to finish this video. I've been practicing all day, trying to come up with a good way of saying the things that I want to say. But I never actually got to the point where I finished the video. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you, good night, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Until then, remember to stay safe, happy crafting, And as always, cheers. Also, don't drink and drive.